Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. I hope you all are doing fantastic in your life. And today's video is going to be a very special video and a very different video. And let me tell you, this video is going to be really against maximum video what people have uploaded on the social media. You know why? Because I know maybe this video will reach to those people who will start commenting that how I'm talking like this. I can expect this, but please understand that whatever I'm talking, I am really talking about the reality. Whatever I am sharing right now in this video, I'm going to share with you all. I am sharing about the life experiences, about the real understanding of life itself. Okay, so please listen this very carefully, and especially when you are into the union, when you are into the partnership, or if you are a man, please listen to this very carefully. So, there is one planet everybody has listened so many times about this planet, Venus, है ना, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में शुक्र भी बोलते हैं. There is a planet Venus which represent the luxury, which represent the pleasure, which represent all kind of blessings related with your if your Venus is good, your love life will be good. If your Venus is good, the luxury in your life will be good. If your Venus is good, the pleasure in your life will be good. That's completely true. I'm not denying, and nobody can deny this, okay? Because really, Venus is a planet which represents all of this. But if you go, listen, ask, and search any video related with this Venus, majority of people is going to tell you that if you really want to do a strong Venus in your chart, or if you want to bring a good blessings of Venus in your life, then you have to respect women. That's true. You have to make your wife be happy at home. That's true. You have to be connected emotionally with the female in your home, like your mother, like your sister, like your, majority of time they talk about the wife and the partners, okay? But hear me out very clearly. Everybody knows who represent planet Venus? Mahadevi, Ma Lakshmi, right? Have you ever seen Ma Lakshmi to be away from Vishnuji? No, right? So if the deity itself, if the goddess itself is representing the union, how can we have a right to describe these things on the basis of women and men? Right? We do not have this right. So now, first thing, understand that if you really want to bring the best blessing of Venus in your life, if you are in a partnership, or even if you are at home, you are married or not married, that doesn't matter. Please understand the basic rule of the life, the basic concept of this universe. First thing, everyone, even the men and the women, both has the feminine side and the masculine side in their body. Both has the equal energy of feminine side and the masculine side, okay? Majority of time we talk and we learn that the emotion of anybody, like my emotion, your emotion, everybody has the emotion. The emotion represent the feminine side, and the strength represent the masculine side of that person, okay? So I have heard many times, I have experienced, I have seen many people, any boy or any man who is taking care of their women, or who is expressing their emotion to somebody else, that I'm not feeling good, or maybe I really want to take some time and cry about certain things because somebody has hurt me out, or somebody was angry with me and I don't feel good about it. A very common thing we say that what you're doing, you are a man. What you are doing, you are a man. है ना? हम मजाक में भी कहते हैं अरे लड़का होके रोता है, क्या है? Please understand, this is also represent the Venus, the feminine side. You must learn to respect those emotions of the man. And according to my understanding, we as a female, we need many things to maintain ourselves. Like, we need long hair. If we have long hair, we have to maintain it. If we are going out to visit some places, we are maintaining our hair, we are maintaining our eyebrows, we are maintaining our makeups. Nowadays makeup is on pitch. But have you seen a man, what they do? They basically put on their comfortable clothes, their most favorite clothes. They use the perfume, they use their shoes, and they go. They don't need any outer side of things to express their beauty. They don't need any makeup. I'm not talking about those people who are just going and performing and using the makeup. I know people will say, but on a regular basis, you see, man doesn't need any outer validation to look good. They'll be comfortable, they'll be looking good, by the way, and they are very comfortable, they are very natural. Oh, these are the small things we have to understand, that we cannot only talk about one side of the cosmos and tell that this, if you are doing this, your planet will become best. Every planet will become best when we respect the union, when we work as a union, as a partner, as a partnership. And before having the partner like girlfriend, boyfriend, or like husband, wife, there is a partnership comes as a human, as a part of the soul. If you are meeting someone, you are supposed to respect that. If respect them, if you are meeting somebody, you are supposed to maintain that boundaries and that respect. And I'm talking about both of the person. I'm talking about the men and I'm talking about the women. Both are equally responsible to carry a respectful connection, and that connection can be anything. Can be a co-worker, can be a friendship, can be a husband and wife, can be a girlfriend and boyfriend, can be a just a random stranger who is meeting for 1 hour, 2 hours just because of some job, or maybe in the travel, maybe in the journey. So my point is, if you really want to have a strong Venus in your chart, or if you want to get the blessings of the planet Venus, and I am giving you the steps, and not only about Venus, if you are doing that, you are going to unlock many blessings in your life. So understand this for both of you. If you really want to have a great blessings in your life of planet Venus, please start respecting your partner, start respecting their emotions. They can be men, they can be female, both of that. Okay. The importance of women in the Venus representation is equal to the importance of men. And when you see Mahadevi, Mahalakshmi, when you understand about her, you see that how she is all the time, she is available there, and both of them is always in the union with each other, always respecting always respecting each other, always representing each other. That's how we come into that union. Okay, so please do not divert yourself while simply listening ki respect your wife and gift your sister this or gift your wife this. This is not a big deal. You can gift your husband too, you can gift your brother too, and trust me, I'm saying that. ठीक है, इससे भी आपका विनस बहुत स्ट्रांग होगा. विनस छोड़ दो, आपके बहुत सारे प्लैनेट स्ट्रांग होंगे. स्टार्ट having that respect, start having that connection, that spark between any relationship you are having in your life, and especially when it comes under a man and a woman part. So if brother is gifting to the sister and becoming the and having the blessings of the Venus, sister can also gift to the brother. Okay? And you see that how your blessings will start, happening in your life, how your blessings will start unfolding in your life. So please understand, it's my humble request to everyone, please understand, do not divert or do not differentiate things and the ritual on the basis of women and men. Men are equally important, and they are the most natural energy that we all have in our life. Every woman, if you have a brother in your home, if you are having your father, many people have lost their father, many people are there who have lost their parents. I completely understand the losing, the pain of loss in their life. If you are having, start respecting them, start having a collaboration with them. Again, at the same point, I'm talking about those men also who is thinking that it's their responsibility, it's the responsibility of my sister to bring the food on the table, it's a responsibility of my sister to cook the food for all of us. No, it is not her responsibility only. You can go and collab with her, you can go and support her, you can understand, you can spend time with her and see. You are going to learn the emotional handling of your life. You will be blessed enough if you are having that collaboration with your sister. You will be blessed enough if you are having that collaboration with your wife or with your girlfriend. So here my point is that, first thing, for the women, please do not hurt anyone on the basis of their emotional balance. If any man who is not able to balance their emotion and they are coming out sharing with you, please respect that, understand that, be with them if you can. Okay? And majority of time people do that. Do not share with anybody. If somebody is sharing with you, have that strong aura to handle those things. Secondly, start appreciating their presence in your life. Please understand, start appreciating their presence in your life. If you will start looking in that way now, you will see many blessings are just around you. You are not only aware about it. There are so many blessings around you. Once you will start looking at that way, you will start witnessing all the blessings. Okay? Third point is, start communicating and seeing things in the basis of union. Do not do like you are a boy, it is your responsibility to bring it. Do not do that. If somebody is not doing, just go and you can normally ask that why, what is the reason, you can explain to me. Okay? Fourth point is, there is no harm in appreciating people. There is no harm in gifting somebody small things and making their day beautiful. So you can do that. And I really appreciate those women. There are many women, there are many sister who is doing every day with their brothers, with their partners. They are sending small gifts whenever they find the occasion, whenever they are finding that opportunities. They are helping them, they are listening them, they are preparing small foods, their best food for them, and they are appreciating. Nothing, just after watching this video, if you feel like that it has been long day, you did not talk to your brother, or maybe you are away from him, or you did not you had a fight with your partner, you just send a thank you message. You just send a small appreciating message to them and see the reaction. Second, for the boys and for the men, please do not stop making jokes out of your wife, out of your sisters. Okay, do not make jokes. Yeah, limited you can do to enjoy your life, but please understand, when this is if any of your word is hurting them, this is the time you have to understand and take your step back, and really you have to say sorry at that point of time. Okay. Second thing, there's nothing wrong to go into the kitchen. If they are cooking something for you, you can help them out. You can talk to them. You can just ask them that is everything all right? You just ask them how was their day. That can bring most beautiful union in your life, and that balance almost all the planets. Okay, almost all the planets. But if you talk about the Venus, that will definitely be balanced. Okay, so it's my simple request, if you are getting my videos and if you are liking my content, please like, subscribe and share my videos. Subscribe my channel, because I only share those things which I personally experience in my life. And very soon I'm going to start you know very soon I'm going to start sorry. So take care. Okay, bye, take care. I hope you people understand this, and yeah, have a wonderful time.